Hello everyone and welcome back to Les Tutorial. So in this video guys, we will cover the Tutsuko OS version 3 for Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. The version 1 and version 2 of this ROM are already uploaded on my channel. You're gonna also check it out, and all the needed files are in the description box. So let's get started. Here you go guys, the steps. First, you should boot your phone into recovery mode. It could either be TWRP or any custom recovery mode you install in your Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. But in my case, I am currently using the TWRP. So, booting your phone into custom recovery via or through pressing the power button, the volume up, and the home button at the same time. There you go.
Okay, so I am currently using the older version of Totsuka OS in my Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime device. So I am not going to install or flash the create vendor. I'm just going to wipe the data of this device. So here you go, just click away on it. But if you are, this is in another method guys, if you are not currently using the older version of Tutsuka OS, you should flash the create vendor zip file in your phone first before the room. So that link or the create vendor 2.0 zip is also in the description box for you to able to download the file. So let's continue. Okay, click here, click the wipe. You go, you can see now. And then advance. You should advance wipe. And then check all of this except micro SD card and USB OTG. And then swipe to wipe. Here you go. And then select the back button. And we can see here that there is no file, like the internal storage is 25,715 MB or 25 gig. Then in this case guys, we should transfer the Tutsuka OS zip file into your phone via micro USB. Connect your phone. That's it. And then transfer the file.
So we are now done transferring the file. We will eject this. And we will check guys if the file is already or we will check if the file is transferred here. Install. Oh, here you go. There is the Tutsuka OS version 3.zip. They will flash this, click swipe, here you go. So it says there that you are about to install Tutsuka OS for Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime or Pro or G5 Pro. So anyway, thank you so much SOULREAPER for porting this ROM. This ROM is really amazing. This is based on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 on top, and it is built in ARM 64 bits. So this is going to be a good ROM. Plus SOULREAPER already posted in XDE thread that the Bluetooth is already fixed, the Bluetooth issue. So we will try after this. We will see guys if the Bluetooth is already fixed there. So click next. Okay, so this is now this disclaimer, and just click the I agree all about. And then next. Here you go, the change log of this ROM. Oh my god, ang daming change log. There is a lot of change log. Like there is a highlight and then click next. So this is the warning. Due to system size constraints, please only select what you will use and not everything. Otherwise, you will get same link failed and the ROM won't work. So it's up to you here. Here in these options, guys, it's up to you whether it's up to you how you customize your phone, like that. So I will select here the black boot animation. Next, what the fuck? Turn back. Next, and then the CSC options, counter sale codes. Here we should select O2 because it says that CSE will be selected according to your current SIM card recommended. And then another features of this room, it could either be you can select two options in ringtones and other sounds like S10 Plus sounds or S9 Plus sounds. So we will select S10 Plus sounds and YouTube vents, navigation bar or gestures. I don't like navigation bar, so we're not selecting that. YouTube vents is here. Select next. And the emoji, guys, is there are three options like Samsung emoji based on YUI 2.0 or EOSP, where we select the Samsung, and Google fonts also. Here you go. Next. Good luck up. So we're not going to select any of that. And finally, click install. So this will take a minute or several minutes, it says there. So here you go, guys. Just select end, and then this ROM will reboot. And then reboot system. So in my case, I will not going to install the TWRP app. Here you go, guys. The phone is now starting to boot. We will just wait several minutes to finish this animation. So it's now starting Android, and after this, guys, we will set up the phone. So here, let's go. It says let's go. We will select our language, which is language English Philippines. Okay, and then click the arrow. Next, and skip. all the things are now finished, and yeah, here you go. We will see, guys, if the Bluetooth is now we will see if the Bluetooth is fixed. So we're head now into the settings. So this is now the menu. Oh, so fast. Going through the connections. Oh my goodness, Bluetooth is now working. This is what we want. Like, oh my god, guys, the Bluetooth is working like this. Oh my god. So here you go. And head into about. So it says there. Totsuka OS version 3 based on 2.1 and Android 10. Oh my goodness, this is really good ROM. So that's it, guys. This is Lester and Pialis again here, and saying goodbye into this video. Hope you're gonna watch my next videos, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next week.